Greetings, traders. In this exciting video, we will uncover how to win in trading by implementing a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio strategy. This approach not only enhances your chances of success but also provides a disciplined and effective focus. Get ready to learn how to balance risk and reward in your trades. Let's dive in. What is the 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio? The 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio means seeking opportunities where the risk taken in a trade is half of the potential reward. For instance, if you're willing to risk $100, your profit target should be at least $200. This ratio enables profitability even with a 50% trade success rate. This approach not only safeguards your capital but also offers statistical advantages. With a 50% success rate, you can still be profitable due to the risk-to-reward ratio. Moreover, it removes the need to win every trade to profit, reducing emotional pressure. The key is to identify setups that offer at least twice the potential gain compared to the risk. Employ technical and fundamental analysis to identify potential entry and exit points. Confirm signals using multiple indicators to enhance accuracy. Risk management and position sizing, 1 minute. Effective risk management is crucial. Limit your risk to a small percentage of your total capital per trade. Ensure your position size aligns with the 1-to-2 ratio. This ensures that one gain can cover the losses from several losing trades. Let's analyze a practical example. Imagine trading in the Forex market. You set a 50 pip stop loss and a 100 pip profit target. If the price moves in your favor, you close half the position at 50 pips to secure profits, and let the other half run towards the 100 pip target. Psychology is pivotal. With an established risk-to-reward ratio, you curb impulsive emotions. Stay calm and stick to your strategy, even in the face of losses. Focus on the process and consistency rather than fixating on individual trades. Practice is key to mastering this strategy. Keep detailed records of your trades, analyze results, and adjust your approach as needed. Learn from both successes and mistakes to continually improve. In summary, winning in trading with a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio is a solid strategy that balances profit potential with risk management. Remember, no strategy is foolproof, so keep educating yourself and honing your skills. Thank you for joining us on this journey to trading success with a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content related to trading and financial strategies. Do you have questions or suggestions? Leave them in the comments. Until your next winning trade.